Welcome back, writers and content creators. On our channel, we're dedicated to bringing you daily, high-quality videos to guide you through the world of innovative products. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you: the best laptops for writers. Whether you're a novelist, blogger, or student, finding the perfect writing companion is crucial. Stick around to discover top-notch options that'll elevate your writing experience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're ready to dive into the world of the best laptops for writers. Let's get started. Number 1. MacBook Air, M2, 2022. Specifications: CPU, Apple M2 chip with 8-core. Graphics, integrated 10-core. RAM, 16 GB. Screen, 13.6-inch 2560 by 1600 Retina display. Storage, 256 GB to 2 TB SSD. When it comes to the best laptops for writers, the 2022 MacBook Air is now our top pick overall. It's even thinner and lighter than its predecessor, and still offers brilliant battery life, making it perfect for taking it out and about with you. It also comes with a great keyboard and a responsive trackpad. The 2020 MacBook Air's keyboard was a more tactile upgrade on its predecessor, and it has been kept for the new version. The improved webcam is also great for people who need to make a lot of video calls. These days that's most of us, and the battery life is phenomenal. Of course, you also get a fantastic Retina display which, in combination with macOS, makes for just about the crispest, cleanest font rendering on any laptop. Number 2. Acer Chromebook 314. Specifications: CPU, Intel Celeron N4001.1 GHz, dual-core graphics, Intel UHD Graphics 600. RAM, 4GB screen, 14-inch 1080p. Storage, 32 GB. If you're looking for a cheap laptop for writing, a Chromebook is probably the way to go. They cost less than Windows laptops, and much less than the MacBook Air above, but offer great battery life since they require little power. Just bear in mind that Chromebooks take their name from the fact that they run Chrome OS, not Windows, so you can use every Windows app you might be used to. That isn't a problem for writing since there are word processors available for Chrome OS, including both Microsoft Word and Google Docs. This Chromebook also has very little internal storage, so you'll be saving work to the cloud. Unlike in the past, you no longer need to be connected to the internet to use a Chromebook though, so you can work pretty much wherever you want. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio. Specifications: CPU, 13th General Intel Core i7-13700H. Graphics, up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4068 GB. GPU RAM, up to 64 GB. Screen, 14.4 inches 2400 by 1600p 3:2 touchscreen HDR 400. Storage, up to 1 TB. If you want to treat yourself to a truly premium Windows laptop for writing, then the Surface Laptop Studio 2 fits the bill. Newly updated with 13th Gen Intel CPUs, it offers a lot more power than you need for word processing, and costs a lot more than you really need to pay for a laptop for writing, but the keyboard is a pleasure to write on, the screen is gorgeous, and the touchscreen has stylus support, which could come in handy for note-taking. This is a 2-in-1 device, which means it also converts into a tablet format, which can be useful for reading over your work when you're on the move, even on the train. It's not the most portable 2-in-1 but you get great battery life, and when we reviewed it we found it runs Windows 11 incredibly well. Number 4. MacBook Air, M1, 2020. Specifications: CPU, Apple M1 chip with 8-core. Graphics, integrated 7-core, 8-core. RAM, 8 GB to 16 GB unified memory. Screen, 13.3-inch 2560 by 1600 Retina display. Storage, 256 GB to 2 TB SSD. The 2020 MacBook Air may not be our top choice anymore, but it's still a great laptop for writers and a more affordable alternative for those who want a MacBook but can't stretch to the budget of the 2022 M2 MacBook Air. It's wonderfully thin and light and offers brilliant battery life, making it perfect for taking it out and about with you. The M1 MacBook Air may not have the M2's more powerful chip, but still offers enough power for creative software alongside writing software, making it a viable option for those who need more than just writing capacity. The screen, while a tiny bit smaller than on the new model, is still a great piece of tech that's easy on the eyes. Best of all, the 2020 model has been coming in for more regular discounts now that the newer 2022 M2 MacBook Air has been released. Number 5. MSI Creator Pro X17HX. The MSI Creator Pro X17HX is a large laptop made for professional creatives, and it has a lot of power inside, so it's a great option for all-around pros who need a laptop with a good screen that's easy on the eyes, but need to be able to draw on loads and loads of computing power for burlier creative tasks. With the very fastest 13th Gen laptop CPU Intel mix paired with NVIDIA's finest professional GPU, namely the RTX 5000 Ada, this laptop is obviously overkill for mere writing tasks. But if you're going all out, you may as well own that choice. Which you can thanks to up to 128GB of RAM and 2 NVMe SSDs, one of which supports the latest ultra-fast PCIe Gen 5 standard. Along with all that internal hardware hotness, you also have the option of either a 240Hz 1440p IPS display or a 144Hz 4K mini LED panel that's good for not only 1000 nits of brightness, but also 100% coverage of the DCI-P3 gamut. Nice.